So here it is, a 1986 Squire Stratocaster, made in Japan. It's the E serial number, E686. There's no sound coming out of it except a loud buzzing. Tone and volume pots are spinning, but this volume pot is seized. Needs a good clean, and I'm going to open up the I'm going to take the scratch plate off now, see what's under the bonnet. Just going to check all the wires, make sure they're all contacting. It's seized. Next, you're going to need some ESC, electrical contact cleaner. This can alone can save you a fortune if you spray out your pots, and it's just great stuff. When you disconnect the strings, just put them in a little bit of a bowl like that, keep them out of the way. The reason I'm keeping the old strings is because when I put the plate back on, I just want to be able to hear something. I don't want to be putting on a new set of strings and damaging them just to get the guitar going. Thing is, eliminate all the noises, find out what's wrong, then when it's all finished and perfect, then you put on your new strings and rock away like a mouldy crouton. Spray out this first pot. The whole thing is moving. Get your socket set and take it off. Seized. Okay, so I can just work it free gently by moving the shaft with a screwdriver, but just very gently. Eventually you'll notice that it will come free. See, there you go. This guitar hasn't been used for a long time, could be 10-20 years. It's almost 30 years old, so just free up the pot. It's probably corroded. There you go, now it's running free. So that's that. Perfecto. Just be very gentle when you're doing this. You don't want to break anything. I mean, all these parts are available pretty cheaply, but it's nice to have the original ones. I've been reading that the 1984 to 1987, I think, or 86 fenders that were made in Japan were premium products, because the American company was up in a heap. And they made some great guitars. Here we go, the volume pot. So they aren't too bad. That buzzing in the background is actually have it plugged in. Still don't have any signal coming out of it. Must be some there's a circuit broken somewhere. Next we're going to take off the 5-way selector. My selector, give it to me, and check that out. Funny thing about Strats is how they were, you know, built pretty easily. You know, the routing and stuff like that was not like the expensive binding that the Gibsons had. Okay, so we're just going to take the pickups off the scratch plate, and we can just take that away then and give it a good clean. This guitar looks worse than it is. It's just grimy and there's a lot of shit stuck to it. Hopefully we get it back to its pristine condition. If you could see what I could see when I'm cleaning scratch plates. So give the old scratch plate a good clean. Okay, so the loud buzzing seems to be gone when I sprayed out the jack socket, and let's go through the pickups. Okay, that's definitely working. Into position 2. That's it. Number 3. That should be off. Number 4. 5. There we go. Seems to be working. Let's put it back together. Okay, so here we go. That's missing. So the problem was the jack socket. Pretty dirty. So I might change it out completely. So it actually does work. So I think I'm going to string it up with new strings, and then we'll take a blast through the Marshall amplifier. So here it is. New strings, all cleaned up, ready to go. sounds incredible. It's I'm stuck for words. This time yesterday, this guitar was in shit condition. Now it's beautiful. It feels, I was never into vintage necks and stuff, but it feels really, really fast. Yeah, it's a beauty. Bottom end is just incredible, even on the second position, you know? Even in the first position. Second position. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Yeah, it's a beaut. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I got no more to say about it, except that it is a cracker, and I'm just going to play it all night long. Till next time, adios.